Fungi are incredible organisms, primarily existing as mycelium, a vast web of interlocking threads called hyphae, thinner than human hair. When conditions are right, these hyphae unite to form mushrooms. Take oyster mushrooms, for example. They not only provide food, but also create low-cost housing and agricultural jobs. In Namibia, the BioHab project uses the invasive acacia bush to nourish native grasslands, allowing farmers to cultivate mushrooms and build with the byproducts. Then there's the garden giant mushroom, which filters out antibiotic-resistant bacteria from our waterways, ensuring cleaner water for everyone. And let's not forget porcini mushrooms, which form vital partnerships with tree roots, helping forests thrive against climate stress. Fungi are not just organisms. They're essential allies in creating a sustainable future.